muthenya wa keri wa kigomano kiria kirehete hamwe atongoria thirikari-ini ya Kenya Kwanza. President William Ruto ahuthirite mucemanio uyu kuheana mwerekera wa uria arenda wira utwarithio. Mutongoria wa bururi amerite nio mahetwo uigiririki wa gutwarithia honge ciao na mbere ta uria we ahetwo wa gutwarithia bururi.
Everybody has a mandate. For principal secretaries, the State Department, the buck stops at your desk. For cabinet secretaries, the buck of the ministry stops at your desk, as the responsibility, overall responsibility of the government of the Republic of Kenya stops at mine.
Oho augite ati undu wa mbere magirire gwika ni kuhuthia mirutire ya wira thirikari-ini na kweheria mihinga yothe iria irituhagiria muingi kwamukira motungata honge-ini cia thirikari.
It is not necessary to write a letter if a telephone call is sufficient. It is not necessary to make a telephone call if an SMS is sufficient. It is our intention to make sure that government is run efficiently and professionally.
Maafitha aya ni moritio gutigirira ati matiranyitwo migwate ni uria maundu matuire mekagwo honge-ini ciao no makorwo muhari-ini wa mbere kugarura mitugo ya uria wira urutagwo wabici-ini cia thirikari.
Let us not be hostages of the traditions of the past. You know, you will go to a ministry and somebody is going to tell you, oh, this is how we have been doing it. The question I want you to ask them is, if this is how it has been done, why haven't we seen the results?
President augite ati no nginya afitha aya anene thirikari-ini makirikia wira uria uramakinyira metha-ini ciao gutari failo ona imwe irarara itari ndutire wira.
When files are sent to your desk, they are not ornamental, they are not gifts, they are for you to make decisions. I have said with clarity that each and every one of us must clear their desk once a day.
Kirioguo amoritie gutungatira muingi wothe Kenya matekurora matura maria maumite na oho kumoria mamathe utaro kuriwe riria matari na uma wa uria maundu mafatie gwikwo.
Whenever you are faced with difficult matters, this is a whole of government approach. Do not feel shy to say I don't know. You know, Waswahili wanasema kuuliza si ujinga, bali ni kutaka kujua.
Thutha wa President William Ruto kuruta mwerekera kuri maafitha aya anene thirikari-ini riu mubira wi maguru-ini mao na kamera no nginya maigirie bao ya gutigirira ati ni mahingiria a Kenya ciraniro cia kambeni. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ndi mukawa-ini wa Fairmount Mount Kenya, jetagwo Martin Munene.